Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Seddiesnowz and I'm back with another video, and it's a DIY. Yes, today we are going to be a little bit creative and I hope you really find this helpful. Today I'm going to transform this braiding hair extensions to some very sweet kinky curls. And guys, as you can see, I tied 2 ropes at the back of the chair, and these ropes are going to help me achieve what I want. So just watch closely how I do that. I've already feathered my extensions, so I'm just tying them to the rope to enable me achieve the curls I want. Guys, this DIY is inspired by Delia's Empire. I saw her do something like this and I just decided to try it out. And for the record, this is my very first attempt and the results really gave me a lot of joy. Guys, my extensions or my braiding hair are a bit big, and that is how I wanted it. I didn't want these strands to be small, so this is how it looks like after the first part. This hair is very beautiful. And guys, I'm going to use my generic straw. Yes, the straw we all know, and the straw is going to help me achieve my curls. So just watch closely how I do it. I'm just wrapping this hair around the straw, and before I wrap it, I kind of twist it between my fingers before I wrap it. That way it gives you a better result. So just watch closely how I do that. I twist the hair between my fingers before I wrap it around the straw, and it was so fun to do, guys. So after I'm done wrapping the hair, I'm going to secure both ends with a sewing thread. Yes, I'm using a thread to just secure both ends so they don't unravel. Already see how beautiful this thing is. You can tell how it will look like at the end. So that is how it should be. So I'm going to repeat the same process till I get to the very end. Take note, you have to twist, or should I say roll, the extension between your fingers before you wrap it around the straw. down to the last. Guys, as you can see, I tied 2 ropes to this chair, but for the sake of this video I used only one of these ropes, but I did the same thing to the second rope at the top, and in total I got 74 strands. Yes, I needed just 74 strands. You can do more if you want to. So guys, I'm done with this part, and the next thing is to put this in hot boiling water so the curls will stay intact. That's just about okay, and I'm going to dry this with a towel and let it sit for a while so it will cool off, and then I'll unravel the curls. Yes, now time for the last part. So you're just basically going to loosen those ropes or whatever it is you use to secure the ends and unravel the curls, and this is the fun part. And guys, you won't believe how beautiful these curls are. This is my first attempt and I'm so loving it. Guys, just look at that. Very, very cute curls. And this is the end result, guys. I mean, don't you just love what you see? These curls are very beautiful, and one thing is it's so light, very, very light. I mean, I'm so in love with this. I really love the outcome. Just look at that, so beautiful. And then I tried separating the curls with one of the strands, and I so love how it looked like. It gave it a more kinky look. You know, I used bigger strands, so just one of it made it look very full. So you can see the difference between this separated strand with the rest. So guys, that's all about today's video. And guys, I installed this on my hair, and my oh my, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to share the video with you guys. So just look out for my next video, because I'll show you guys what these curls looked like after I installed it. So I hope this video was very fun to watch, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.